Hey everyone, welcome back to Mac to iPhone. Today we are going to explore different types of user accounts on macOS and I will show you step by step how to add new user to your Mac, whether it is for family member, friends or work. Managing user account properly can keep your Mac secure and organized. Let me show you how to add a new user account on macOS. Open Apple menu and select System Settings or System Preferences on an older macOS version. Scroll to and click User and Groups. Click on Add User, then type your Mac password. By default, if you have only one account, usually it is admin account. Then from there, new user, you can select administrator, standard and sharing only. Those three options, whichever you want to select as a user. Select administrator for full control, standard for everyday use and sharing only for the network access without logging permission. Fill in the new user's full name, account name and password. Then click create user. Now the user appears on your login screen. Here I am creating some more user like administrator, standard and shared user. To enable guest user, we need to activate there. So click on I button right side of the guest user and then turn it on. So guest user also is created and can start using Mac with their own setup. In the login window, you will see this type of login option when multiple users created. Select the user which you want to log in. For the administrator user has full access and control of Mac. Administrator can manage and add user and also delete user. If there is any password issues like other user unable to log in, then administrator also can reset the password. Administrator can install apps, change settings and manage critical system functions. Standard user used for daily tasks. Standard user can modify their own settings and install apps, but cannot add or manage other user or any system wide settings. For sharing only, can access shared file remotely but cannot log into the Mac or change settings. Basically, guest user is useful for the temporary access by visitors without affecting your permanent account or data. The files created from the guest account will be automatically deleted when it log out. Guest allows temporary access to the Mac without logging into your permanent account. Files created and deleted and log out. Remember, for the security only, give the administrator access to the trusted user and use the standard or managed account for everyone else. This keep your Mac safer and your data protected. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more Mac tips, and let me know in the comments whose accounts you want to set up your next Mac.